In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a button full width in Elementor. This simple yet highly effective design enhancement is a great way to elevate the appearance of your website and ensure that your call to action buttons stand out, which can be key in converting visitors into customers. Elementor is a powerful tool that allows for a lot of customization, but sometimes we need a few pointers to get those perfect touches just right. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you need to open your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the page or post where you want to make your button full width. The user-friendly nature of Elementor allows us to make these changes with a few clicks, but you need to be within the Elementor editor to make it happen. Once you're in the Elementor editor, select the button widget you want to work on. If you haven't added a button already, you can find the button widget in the Elementor side panel. Simply drag and drop it into your desired location on the page. Having the button selected is crucial because all the customizations we'll be making will apply to the highlighted button. Next, you want to look over to the left-hand panel. This is where all the magic happens. Under the Content tab, you'll see different options available for customizing your button. What we're specifically looking for here are the alignment settings. To ensure your button stretches across the full width, you'll need to set the alignment to Justify. This setting ensures that the button utilizes the entire width of its parent container, giving you that sleek and modern look. Now, if you still find that the button isn't quite stretching as you'd like, don't worry, there's a little tweak you might need to do. Head over to the Advanced tab on the left, focusing on the margin and padding areas. Make sure that the left and right margins are set to 0, as sometimes automatic margins might pinch your button size. Adjusting this ensures that the button can expand entirely without any hindrance. It's worth mentioning that the button's parent container may have its own settings influencing width. If your button still isn't full width after changing the alignment and margins, check the section or column width settings to make sure they're not limiting your button's width. After making these adjustments, preview your changes by clicking the Preview Changes button or the eye icon provided. This step is essential because it allows you to see exactly how your button appears on the live site without anything extra from the editor view. And that's it. Your button should now span the complete width of its container, giving you a more dynamic and engaging web page. Feel free to experiment with different color schemes and text to make your buttons even more inviting. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more Elementor tips and tricks. Happy designing!